Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. So today we are gonna unbox the Land Rover Defender 90 from the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture series. So again, this one I was like looking for it, but it's not available in my country. Like Mattel does not like release any car culture or let's say the silver series in India, so we get only the main lines and the pop culture ones. So I managed to get this, so let's get to it. Okay, looking at the card art, you can see, right, like this car is for the adventurers, for the explorers. So great off-road vehicle. Let's take a look at the car. It looks really cute. The yellow color looks nice, so it's written Hot Wheels Off-Road, and this is the second in this series. Let's see what more we have at the back. Okay, so we have the Subaru, the Toyota, and all. Out of all these five, like for me, like other than the Land Rover, I really like this 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. But yeah, during my time, it was unavailable, so this is what I could get. Here we have the various logos. Okay, I was expecting some logo containing that this is officially licensed. Where is it? Ah, okay. Uh, is it? Okay, guys, I'm confused. Ah, okay, got it. Stupid me. Ah, okay, here it is, the Land Rover logo. Okay. Let's open this. I know many of you don't like to unbox their cars, but I am someone who like has like have to like I need to feel it. I need to feel my cars. And yeah, s- so you can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more unboxing, right? So that you can keep yours safe in its packaging. So here's the car. Right off the bat, like this yellow looks really nice. I know I have said it before, but yeah, I really like it. Usually, I like cars which has, let's say, a bit more decals, liveries. But in this case, I like this plain yellow color. The tires roll nicely as expected. Here we have the blinker detail as well. Here I assume this is for the fuel intake. I don't know what's the use of this one. Let's turn it this side. Okay, let's take a look at the back. Okay, this does it rotate? No, it doesn't. So here we have the blinkers, the brake lights. Let me zoom in a bit. Uh, this one, yeah. So this one is made of plastic. So I was just checking whether I can take this off or not. But no, this one is made of plastic. It is not made of rubber, guys. Just letting you know if you're curious about it. Here, okay, we have some details, I guess, for the hook and all. Okay, let's take a look at from this side as well once more. So here, guys, is the blinker in close up, and here we have a like foot support as well. Okay, let's take a look at the front. Here we have the Land Rover logo, Defender. The headlights are painted. Okay, the grill and all, of course, everything is made of plastic. At least, like, it would have been better if there were, like, if these were like matte metal. But anyway, it is what it is. So, okay. Oh, oops, it slipped out of my hand. Let's take a look at the bottom. So, yeah, okay. Slight details here, not much. I really hope that in future Hot Wheels add a metal base in their like car culture series, right? Like this is a premium one, so I don't know why it's like this, but yeah, they charge more for this, so I expect a metal base. Hopefully, Hot Wheels take it as a feedback. This feels right, and let me just check. This should be made of rubber. Yes, you can see it right. Like I can take it off. Yeah, this is made of rubber. At least this has some nice trading. Okay, guys, let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, as expected. Yes, rolls nicely. Okay, guys, that's all from this video. See you guys on the next one.